Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about something that is very important for all the management aspirants out there who want to get admission in MBA PGDM MMS in the year 2023. We are going to talk about Management Aptitude Test, also known as MAT, which is one of the most aspirational and one of the most popular entrance exams in the country, which has access to over 600 top B schools in India. So before knowing more about this entrance exam, let's try to understand how is it different from CAT and other management entrance exams. Firstly, let's talk about the syllabus. So there will be 5 sections in the entrance exam and each section will have 40 marks. So these sections will test your language skills, your mathematics skills, your reasoning skills, your Indian and global knowledge skills, and along with that, your data analytics skills. As we said, there will be 200 questions, and each question, if you get any question wrong, there will be a negative 0.25 marks. And if you do not attempt any question, there is no negative marking for that. Also, this entrance exam will be held in English language. Now coming to the eligibility part, anyone who has completed a bachelor's degree with over 50% marks, or anyone who is in the last round of their bachelor's degree can apply and give this entrance exam. Now, something that is very interesting and something that I really personally like about this exam is the fact that there are 3 different modes to give this entrance exam. First one is the pen and paper based mode, the second one is computer based mode, and the third one is internet based mode, wherein you can sit at your home and give your entrance exam. Isn't that cool? Next up, if in case you give the entrance exam for the first time and you, let's suppose you do not get your desired score, so there is a good news for you. What you can do is you can give this exam again and again. So in every year you can give this exam 4 times, that is in the month of Feb, May, September and December. That's something that is very different from all other exams, and because of this your year does not get wasted. Now you know about the entrance exam, you know about the syllabus, you know about the eligibility, and you also know that this entrance exam is held 4 times in a year. Now, coming to what are the top colleges that you can get into if you give this entrance exam, right? The first set of colleges are Vellore Institute of Technology, then there is School of Business and Management at the Christ University, then there is SRM University AP, Indian Institute of Forest Management, there is Xavier Institute of Management, IES Mumbai, MET Mumbai and Pumba, Pune. In case if you get in the range of 80 to 90 percentile, you can also get great business schools like Alliance Business School, NIILM Business School, NIILM University, Jaipuria Institute of Management in Noida, IPE Hyderabad, ISB and M Pune, ITM Mumbai and Birla Global University. So if you want to apply and if you want to achieve your dreams, you can go to the official MAT website and pay a fees of ₹1950. What are you waiting for? Go now and achieve all your dreams. All the very best.